Sweet potatoes are a healthy root vegetable that offer many benefits for your health. Some of the benefits are: they support eye health, as they contain anthocyanins that have a protective effect on the retina. They have anti-inflammatory properties, which may help with conditions like arthritis and asthma. They enhance brain function, as they may improve memory and cognitive performance. They are filling, as they have a high water content and a low glycemic index. They have anti-cancer effects, which may inhibit the growth of certain types of cancer cells. They boost immunity, as they stimulate the growth of healthy gut bacteria and modulate immune responses. They are gluten-free, which makes them suitable for people with celiac disease or gluten intolerance. They are low in calories, which makes them a good choice for weight management. They are tasty, as they have a natural sweetness and a creamy texture. They are versatile, as they can be cooked in various ways and added to different dishes.